Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to measure temperature using a thermometer. Let's get started. First, let's observe the thermometer carefully. We can see the temperature scale and the mercury bulb at the bottom. Let's start by noting the temperature of the air around us. The mercury level tells us the current room temperature. Now, let's place the thermometer in hot water and wait for the mercury to rise. The temperature increases as the heat transfers to the thermometer. Next, we place the thermometer in cold water. Watch as the mercury level drops, showing a lower temperature. Finally, let's check the temperature of ice cubes. The mercury falls even further, reaching near freezing point. So, we learned how temperature changes with different conditions: hot, cold, and freezing. This is how a thermometer helps us measure temperature accurately. Try this experiment at home and note the temperature differences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool science experiments.